Oh, we got a rainy one today. We got soaking straight through to me giblets. Oh, but it was a nice walk. The doggy loved it. Doggy got to swim in all the bits of water. We were technically swimming in all the bits of water, and now I pull a funny face. Look at that. Look at that. How attractive. Jesus Christ. Looks like I got stretchy skin. Subscribe.
Would you look at that? Oh, Dad, don't jump! Don't jump! What's the name of this place? Hafren Forest.
I think so.
We're in Hafren Forest, or Hafren Forest. And it's raining.
Heisenflirt Forest.
Heisenbleiben. What's that? What is this?
It's my hat.
Right, so that's the name. Hafren Forest.
Yeah, that's my house.
What, you live in there?
Yeah. Brown and sludgy.
Apparently if a dog goes to the loo, get a stick and flick is what we'd like you to do.
Ah, I'll put it in poo bags. So do I empty the poo bags in there?
I think you just chuck them.
No, because they're not decomposable poo bags.
Right, I'll empty my poo bags. Can't see nothing. Wow. That looks so cool.
Oh. Don't go so close to the edge, which might fall in.
Is he going in? Don't do it!
Don't jump! Yes, please.
Look at it is hammering it down, but it's quite relaxing, isn't it? Don't you find it
It's
just
like ASMR on a nice hot day. To picture the rain on the windows.
you know? So when I'm really hot and I just want to hear water. Right, so we're going to take the blue one because it's absolutely hammering it down. Oh ja, back into dog. That does look stunning though. How deep is it?
Following my footsteps.
Following my paws.
Is this deep?
No.
I thought it was.
Oh,
This one of them. Is that one deep?
it's very pretty though.
Is this one deep? Yeah. No, it's not. Yeah,
Parkour!
oh, no.
Oh, that was not parkour.
I might as well be Egyptian because the way I go to the toilet, I build pyramids.
The pyramid builder, they call me. Blue route this way. And our car's up that way. I got water on the lens again. Not a lot. Oh, hello. The waterfalls are getting bigger. And it's raining.
I'm following in Doggy's steps.
And I'm soaked. But the dog is loving it. And so is Laura. Can you see how gleefully she walk in the rain? Whoa.
Wow.
Not like a nice little weir there. Ooh. Damn.
Rich, that sounds like an elephant if it was constipated.
A constipated elephant.
Yeah.
We have some cover. Cover. Take cover, doggy. Something quite peaceful about the rain. And Seren is in. Come here, Saren.
That big stick over.
You want the big stick? Ready to carry on?
Bloody hell.
Are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready?
It's like my pocket.
Are we ready?
She's got a tiny little bloody
Let's go.
stick.
Yeah, someone's eager. She's like, that camera's on a stick.
Turkey giblets.
Oh! Can't come out for a nice walk without your turkey giblets. Right, so there's a path over there. I don't know, ours is kind of going over here now. Well, we're going this way, but the path's over there. Oh, I sunk then.
Straight through the trees.
We're going back into the trees.
Do we get to cross that lovely little bridge over there? I like bridges.
Oh, it smells fresh here. Why, do you want a Christmas tree?
Shall we get to...
The caravan. The little one.
What, like that one?
Not a mini one.
We have a little bridge. We have a little bridge.
That's quite loud. Wow. Whoa.
That's deep.
Oh, that is pretty. Are we... Which one are we taking? The blue one. Are we on the blue trail? That's this way. We have found the wet path.
Stop sniffing.
I'll do what the dog does.
Yeah, think about. Actually, that's not a bad idea.
Shaky, shaky, shake.
No, that's just maybe.
Oh, look at that. Long way down. Saren, come this way. Bloody trying to jump off there, no?
Thank God she didn't try.
Oh, this is pretty though.
Don't know we've got it here, so.
Yeah, it's all right. Have we got another? We got another hut over there. Is that another hut? Day 76 in the outback. Lost.
Lost, aren't we? Aren't we?
No, well, we're not because we just follow the path. But oh, that's pretty though.
I'm just a bit lost.
We got a pond.
Yes, sir.
We've got a pond, Pooch.
Terrible.
Don't go in it. She would love to go in it, but she's not going in it. Look at her. Hey. Hey. You come here, you. Oh yeah, there'll be tons.
We have reached the bridge.
Oh. Wow, look at it funnel through. Cool. Right, so the blue path is that way.
Beyond this point. White path. Why did they this way?
Wait, hang on, there's a blue one over there as well. I don't know which way to go. So we just go this way? Oh, it's probably just a loop.
Oh, thank God.
Probably.
Oh, this could be where that wouldn't it?
Not up here, it's not. This is the start of it. Well, further up. Not just yet. Nice path though. Just a shame that it's a little teensy weensy bit wet.
Oh, just
Not very much, just a little bit. Don't you think? Or is that just the sweat from walking?
I'm not sweating.
You look sweaty, love.
I'm not sweating. I'm
You.
Oh, bloody drench!
Oh, what's this?
This is not sunset.
Come on in. Waterproof and oh, it's going down my arse crack.
What exactly is?
Yeah, what is?
How on your coat?
Oh,
Oh, she's gonna eat it.
Whoa, something's been massacred here. Oh, it did say that there can be sheep up here. Somewhere. But they've probably gone to their little sheepy homes where it's all nice and, you know, where they got the central heating on. And they got their little cups of tea, Yorkshire tea, best tea. Anyone disagrees, fight me.
Okay.
Why does it keep changing direction? Oh.
I'm an Alfie camper.
That face man.
I'm an Alfie camper. I'm an Alfie camper. I'm an Alfie camper.
Yeah, and the rain stopped.
Okay.
Right, look at this beautiful view.
Look at that water. Oh, this water is.
It's washing the path away. Run! Run before.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, little bit of an incline. The river is down there. And it goes up and down. Up and down.
Reminds me of every man in the morning.
Oh, my trousers are falling down.
Oh, splishy splashy. She does tippy tappies, we do splishy splashes.
Don't you bloody go down there.
It's mad to think that that tiny little stream down there becomes the big River Severn. What's that noise? There's a bird in the tree somewhere. Ooh, birdies. Birdies, doggy, birdies. Oh, now we are really getting into the picturesque. Looks almost like Yellowstone. Oh, my pants are wet. Anyone else get that? Oh, when you're out on a hike and then you wear the waterproof jacket but not the waterproof anything else, and then you end up with wet pants. Eh? You wringing off your jumper?
Literally. It's not doing it now, it's got loads out there.
Your jumper wee wee in. Whoa, that tree's gone over.
Oh, wow.
Damn.
I feel like
I feel like my hood's just making me.
Oh yeah, look, the water. Hang on, let me extend the stick. The water's washed away the ground underneath it. Not sure if you can see us up there. This whole path is just like washing away. What's up there, pup?
I slid there.
What'd you see then? She saw or something.
Yeah, I thought it was tomatoes.
Tomato. Not tomato.
Just tomatoes.
It's tomato.
Oh, that looks a bit wet over there.
Is that what we're doing?
Hopefully this path perturbs.
Turn back around.
Yeah, I do think the path is going to loop round again. Everyone's still here.
No.
No. Oh. I'm by myself. Help. Oh no, I got Peachy here.
No, you've got a dog.
She's not here either.
She's not here. Who's that then?
Stop seeing them, reincarnated.
Oh, I see. I see you, sneaky devil. Don't go in there, dog. Otherwise I'll have to fish you out. Oh, the path has gone into the wilderness. What do you think, Pooch? Oh yeah! Ubba dabba! Shubba dabba, ubba dabba, ubba. Whoa, low bridge! Low bridge! Well, that's nice. That's a nice little scenery while we're in the woods. Hear the what?
I just said there's a dog and got bloody hell. It's just like, just can't take him a loop and then just take someone and come back and send him a loop.
Well, yeah, it's supposed to be a loop. Because it wouldn't make sense to take you straight across the forest and then you're like, well, hey, now you're like 8 miles away from your car.
There's a sign.
Oh, we have a sign. What does the sign say? Saying you've gone the wrong way, go back.
It's a what?
Eh? Someone, all the dogs have probably weed on it. Blackberries. Oh, it's raining again. It's raining again. Right, we've made it. We're here. The waterfall. And it did pour down for about a minute. There it is. We reached the waterfall.
Oh, I feel like you're not cold.
Bloody hell, what came kamikazing down there? Damn. Right, return path. And the pooch is exploring. How's it feel, Saren? Oh, there's running water there. What are you going to do? Oh, just hop over it. There we go. Beautiful. Right, now let's get back. Yeah, the t-shirt underneath this is actually more wet than this is because I have to keep wiping the lens every time I wanna like is your jumper weeing again?
It's not your jumper, it's mine!
Is that your jumper?
It's my bloody jumper!
So it means I could. No, you got him a
No
small.
excuses! You stole my bloody jumper!
I don't know.
So that means I could have got small.
Where are you going? That's too deep, bro.
Oh, doggy, that was close then.
He's like, ooh, that's
Nearly, I nearly had to jump down in there and grab her then. Where are you going? Oh, it is nice out here though. Got water on the lens again. That's better. Although I can't tell if there's any water on the lens because the phone is, the Osmo is completely wet right now.
Oh no, wet over there.
Don't it just look dark in there?
Oh, bloody hell.
The dog just wants to pounce in this stream, like face first.
Never know, she probably would.
Yeah, oh, she will. She'll be in there. Won't you?
Hopefully not.
You wet dog. We wet people.
Not that wet. Not until I feel myself.
Everyone smile.
Oh, she's short.
And the rain never lets up. It stops, it starts, it goes again.
And it shuts.
And it shut.
And it poos.
Is the rain ever gonna stop? Because me and Ty are wet.
Oh, I'm so wet right now.
We wanted to stop.
Even a tornado.
Can anybody hear me?
That's echo, sure.
Was that an echo? Echo! My camera is wet, but we're headed back down, away from the top of the mountain. Yeah, and these are the kind of sound effects that we always have to listen to from the boys whenever we go on. Yeah, we came across this bridge.
Well, I made it.
Just one cornetto on a soggy bench. It's always nice walking when you have a wench. I'm a poet and I didn't realise. Is it just me, or does there seem to be a lot of singing in this one? Is this one going to be called like Rainy Walk the Musical? Eh? What do you mean, is that why it keeps raining? You fart then?
It's actually raining. No, I did not fart. I did not fart. It was not me. I'm not getting blamed for this monstrosity. No, I haven't. I think actually.
No. No.
As we walk back down the path.
No, we're not bloody walking, we're teleporting.
We're telesporting.
Telesquirting.
Ready, splish.
And a splish and a splash. I got a bum rush. A splish and a splash. I got a bum rush.
Don't even think about it. Do you like us playing in the water?
Oh,
No, because otherwise I will have to dive in with her.
And then she's going to start swimming away.
Yeah, and then I'll
Start swimming
bashing
away,
against the rocks trying to grab her.
I don't think any of us actually.
And we're back by this bridge. We do love a good bridge, don't we? Don't we, Peach?
I remember this.
Oh, that's where it's really deep. Hey!
Oh my god.
It does look really pretty though. You're bringing yourself out again. I have got no idea how many droplets are going to be on all this footage. My guess, quite a lot. A lot of drippy droppers. I am, is it clean? It's clean. I'm going to do a test for science. The rain has stopped, so if I start singing as we walk, that's not true. That's rain coming off the trees. And I think my singing is good. We have made it back to our drier destination. That's got a lot more flooded than it was when we were here. We got a little birdie.
What do you think?
Hello, little birdie. And we got a little serum. Hello. Are you cold? Are you cold? Are you cold? You've been playing in the water? Where's the water? Where's the water? What's that? What's over there? What's that? What's that? Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Yeah. Oh, she's in. She's in. Good girl. What is this? What is that? Look at him. Look at his little stick body. I hope it's not poisonous.
Yeah.
Or bitey.
But if it's poisonous, then
Oh, is he going to fly off? Is he going to fly off? Are you taking off? He has gone to the point of no return.
Oh, never mind, there is a return.
No, he's like, I'm going back now.
He's like, I'm going back home.
And as we continue down this very graceful path where we have water, we have lady, itchy eye,
Something's one in my eye.
a pupil.
How can that go in my eye?
And then we have a Seren. Seren the Labrador, or Labragator, as I like to call her. Labragator.
James in the background of here, I'm terrible sorry about that. But my loudest meal.
It's all kinds of wet, and my pants are soggy.
Hi, guess what?
Ah, so refreshing, don't you think?
No, I said
Don't you just love being outside?
you've got an ass.
It's gorgeous. Look at this place. Look at it. Just look at that tree.
Oh, this nature is so annoying. Where is she going?
Where you going?
I'm going on an adventure.
A Seren adventure. Let's go on an adventure with Seren.
Let's go again.
Where you going, the poochie?
Being this drunk would be a good thing if you had heated seats.
I got leather seats.
Exactly, not heated leather seats.
Sludge, 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 sludge. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Look at that. Hi, doggy. Hi, doggy. She loves water. Don't you? You just want to dive in it. It's a bit wobbly. Oh, now this is peaceful.
Go under it. Under the boardwalk.
Under the boardwalk. Now she's on the board. Now she's off the boardwalk. Come on, pup.
There's no dog coming to over.
Come here. Yeah, I don't even know where we are. We're just walking down the boardwalk next to this beautiful river Severn, birth of Severn. Got some nice raindrops from the trees. And some really, oh lovely, oh doggy, oh doggy. Oh.
You've just been killed.
You got two prints.
Right, looks like you're going in there now. Right, let's try and clean off doggy paws. What's that? What's that? Go get it. Yeah, go get it. Yeah. Good, yeah. You clean off them little piggy wigs. Oh, and then straight into the mud again. And as we climb, and the dog.
Going on mud.
You'll just have to clean up towards the wall that's in the back.
Oh, bloody hell, this is steep. Right, so they are down at the main car park with the pooch, and I'm now going to go all the way up this road to where the car was. Go grab the car and then drive it to them because they're a bit wet. And look at this walk. It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Kind of heavily underestimated how long this road was, so I'm going to run. with me car keys jingling, running through the forest. Oh, note to self, don't run up that bastard. But yeah, not that far away, because that's where I spun the car around, because that car park down there is full. So my car should be over there, just through those trees. I think I can see it. Pretty sure that's it. What's that coming round the corner? Is it a beamer? Is it a beamer? Oh, everyone else is buggered off. Silly sausages. Now it's going to be fun, because now I've got to get in the car. My ass is wet. Like wet. This is not going to be fun. How squidgy does it feel? Ooh, that doesn't feel very nice at all. Oh, it feels like I've wet myself.
My bottom's wet.
Nice little waterfall down there. Let's get out of here.
Sit back. Saren. Saren, back.
We got a soggy doggy.
Come on.
Right, ta-ta for now. Say goodbye. Say goodbye, Saren. Or not.